I believe that any woman around the world can achieve financial success. You can literally turn your passions and skills into a thriving business. So, in this video, we've put together 5 captivating business ideas that can change the trajectory of your life. We have also shared inspiring stories of women who are making 6 figures from these business ideas. So without any further ado, let us start. The first business idea for women is online boutique. Do you love fashion and dream of starting your own business? Look no further than the exciting world of online boutiques. This low investment venture can be the perfect opportunity to turn your passion for fashion into a thriving enterprise. Let's share this story that will open your eyes and inspire you to start your own online boutique business. Meet Jasmine, a passionate entrepreneur who transformed her love for fashion into a thriving online boutique business. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the transformative impact of women-led enterprises. Jasmine had always been captivated by the world of fashion, but she never imagined she could turn her passion into a successful business. That is until she discovered the exciting potential of online boutiques. With a keen eye for trends and a deep understanding of her target audience, Jasmine set out to create an online boutique that would empower women to feel confident and stylish. Armed with a laptop and a vision, she embarked on her entrepreneurial journey and started a brand called My Styling. The initial days were filled with challenges, but Jasmine's unwavering determination and passion for fashion kept her motivated. She learned the ins and outs of e-commerce. She mastered the art of digital marketing and built a loyal customer base. As her online boutique gained momentum, Jasmine's confidence grew and she began to see the fruits of her labor. Customers raved about the unique, high-quality products and the personalized shopping experience she provides. But Jasmine's journey has not been without obstacles. As a woman entrepreneur in a male-dominated industry, she has faced skepticism and gender biases. However, she refused to be deterred, using her passion and resilience to overcome these challenges. Today, Jasmine's online boutique, My Styling, is a thriving business, allowing her to pursue her passion while providing a flexible, fulfilling lifestyle. She is not just selling clothes, she's empowering women to feel confident and stylish in their own skin. Jasmine's story is a testament to the power of women-led enterprises. If you have passion for fashion and the drive to succeed, an online boutique could be the low-investment business opportunity that changes your life forever. The second business idea for any lady looking to start a side business is virtual assistant services. Any lady who is looking for a flexible, low-investment business opportunity that allows you to work from anywhere and in the comfort of your own home, then look no further than the world of virtual assistant services. As a virtual assistant, you can leverage your administrative, social media management, or customer services skills to provide invaluable support to busy professionals and small business owners. Here is an inspiring story to get you started. Meet Tina Luna, a trailblazing entrepreneur who turned her passion for administrative support into a thriving virtual assistant business. Her story is a testament to the power of women-led enterprises and the transformative impact they can have. Tina had always been the go-to person for her friends and colleagues, known for her organizational prowess and the ability to tackle any task with efficiency and grace. But it wasn't until when she discovered the world of virtual assistants that she realized her true calling. With a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of the needs of a busy professional, Tina set out to create a virtual assistant business that would empower her clients to focus on their core responsibilities while she handled administrative tasks. The initial days were filled with challenges, of course, but Tina's unwavering determination and passion for her work kept her motivated. She honed her skills, she mastered the art of remote collaboration and built a loyal client base. As her virtual assistant business gained momentum, Tina's confidence also grew, and she began to see the transformative impact she was having on the lives of her clients. They raved about her attention to detail, her proactive approach, and the invaluable support she provided. But Tina's journey was not without the obstacles, of course. But despite the obstacles, she refused to be deterred, using her passion and resilience to overcome these challenges. Today, Tina's virtual assistant business is a thriving enterprise, allowing her to pursue her passion while providing a flexible, fulfilling lifestyle. She's not just providing administrative support, she is literally empowering her clients to achieve their goals and reach higher heights. Today, Tina's story is a testament to the power of women-led enterprises. If you have passion for supporting others and the drive to succeed, a virtual assistant business could be the right low investment opportunity that changes your life. The next business idea for ladies is handmade crafts and artisanal goods. Are you creative at heart with unique ideas and a passion for crafting? Then the world of handmade crafts and artisanal goods may be just the perfect business opportunity for you. Here I introduce to you two remarkable women who have turned their passion for handmade crafts and artisanal goods into thriving businesses. Their stories are a testament to the power of perseverance and the transformative impact of women-led enterprises. Meet Redika, a young woman who faced a rare bone disease that kept her confined to her home. Determined to overcome the challenges, she turned to the world of crafts, discovering a newfound passion that would soon blossom into a successful business. With the support of her family and the power of internet, Redika began creating a range of stunning handmade products, from greeting cards to baskets and photo frames. Her unique creations caught the eye of many customers, and soon word of mouth and online orders started pouring in. Redika's story is not just about overcoming adversity. It is about the transformative power of creativity and the entrepreneurial spirit. Through her handmade crafts, she has not only found a way to earn a living, but also to inspire others with her resilience and artistic talent. The next amazing business idea for ladies is pet sitting and dog walking. Are you a true animal lover looking for a rewarding business opportunity that allows you to spend more time with your furry friends? Look no further than the world of pet sitting and dog walking. Lisa, a former graphic designer, found herself dissatisfied with the monotony of her 9-to-5 days job. But when redundancy struck, she saw it as an opportunity to pursue her true calling, caring for pets. Lisa launched her business from wags to whiskers and hasn't looked back ever since. If you have passion for animals and a desire to turn your love for pets into a profitable venture, the world of pet sitting and dog walking could be the perfect opportunity for you. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and embark on a rewarding journey in the world of pet care. The next business idea for the ladies out there is freelance writing and editing. Are you passionate about crafting captivating stories and engaging content? Then the world of freelance writing and editing may be just the perfect business opportunity for you. If you have a passion for written word and a desire to turn your skills into a profitable venture, the world of freelance writing and editing could be the perfect opportunity for you. Embrace your entrepreneurial spirit and let your words take flight. From the world of online boutiques to the flexibility of virtual assistants, the creativity of handmade crafts, and the joy of pet care, and the power of written word, these business ideas offer women the opportunity to pursue their dreams and achieve financial independence. If you got any value in this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. And remember to share this video also with the ladies in your circle. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.